Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make a video blurry on the CapCut app. So select the video you want to make blurry. Actually, don't select it, sorry, go to effects and then go to video effects, and then you are going to just go to basic and find the blur effect. There is motion blur, there's also pixel blur, there's slanted blur too, there's blur close, there is blurry focus, and there is just the basic blur. And you're just going to add that to your video. You can also adjust how strong you want the blur to be. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!